So as I've come to work at Charm, I've recognized a few parallels to the oil and gas industry that I have my background in. One of those comparisons is the efficiency of continuous operations. We run our pyrolysis and injection facilities around the clock, and running around the clock avoids the complications with shutting down and starting up equipment. That's time that you're not running throughput through the machines. Not having to continuously day by day go through that shutdown startup process allows us to improve throughput. We also get the added benefit of not cycling the equipment, both thermocycling and turning things on and off. And that over time will lead to increased capacity utilization, but also lower stress and strain on those assets, which results in lower CapEx requirements. Another parallel to oil and gas is the bio oil we work with is similar to heavy oils in refining, like gas oils or resids. These are oils that are hard to work with when they're cold. When they get cold, they become more viscous, and we have issues with pumping. We have issues with lines setting up or sludging or plugging. So we've been able to bring that experience of dealing with heavy oils and compare that to bio oil by putting processes in place for winterization of equipment, for heating oil while we process it and before we inject it, so that we are not dealing with those challenges. So some of the opportunities I've seen in being able to bring down costs as we scale up. On the pyrolysis side, it's scaling our machines to be larger, to handle more throughput for a similar amount of operating labor. One of the things that excited me most moving from refining into the carbon removal space was the opportunity for me to bring my operational discipline and operations excellence background to an industry that's rapidly growing and has a ton of growth potential. It's incredibly exciting for me to be part of that opportunity to make this technology cost effective so that we really can have an impact in a market that will have growth and demand as we're able to get costs down. As we expand our operations to new locations and new markets, we're really working in the communities where we're going to operate to identify new partners and new talent pools for which we can hire operators. Our development team does a really good job of matching our biomass availability around the country to our injection locations. And as they're talking in those communities, we're talking with farmers, we're talking with oil and gas service providers that are gonna help us build that business along the way. And having that outreach both with local communities and service companies is generating excitement about our business. Some of our strongest operators have come from these local partners we work with. They bring the experience of working with heavy equipment, pumps, valves, moving oil in tanks, and that experience that they're able to bring to Charm is immediately beneficial as we bring our operations online and grow, that we don't need to teach those new concepts. We have folks who are comfortable with the processes that we have, and they're bringing new and fresh ideas in how we can make things better.